Over the weekend, there were reports on social media of people in Lackawanna County hearing loud booms and attributing those booms to a rare weather phenomenon called frost quakes. Storm Tracker 16 meteorologist Ali Gallo describes what frost quakes are and whether that's what people actually heard.
Over the weekend, our area experienced the coldest air we've seen so far this season, with sub-zero temperatures early Saturday morning. But that Arctic air arriving the first weekend of February came after one of the warmest Januaries on record. And on social media, there was talk of whether or not that rapid drop in temperatures led to frost quakes here in northeastern Pennsylvania. Frost quakes are a rare weather phenomenon defined as deep, loud sounds made when frozen soil or rock suddenly cracks.
What'll happen is the water freezes really quickly, and when water freezes, it expands. And sometimes it expands and it pops, and it could lead to people hear these noises.
After a mild spell of weather like we had in January, the ground and the water below it isn't completely frozen. So if it gets cold rapidly, the water can freeze quickly, causing pressure to build up and the soil to crack, creating a frost quake. Meteorologists with the National Weather Service in Binghamton say it's possible we experienced frost quakes over the weekend, but that it would be much more likely to happen farther north, where it's even colder.
I don't think we get as cold enough, especially when you're talking about 30 to 40 below zero up in northern New England. Now that is extreme. I think they're more frequent up further north, but I don't believe, the problem is well, you hear it, it's underground, so where is it?
And therefore, it's more of a geological event than an atmospheric one. And if no damage is reported, it would be hard for the National Weather Service to confirm whether or not frost quakes are really what we experienced. But something that is more likely here in Pennsylvania this time of year happens in trees. Sap starts to flow around now, but a cold snap like what we had this past weekend could impact that.
The trees could pop, and because all that sap going up, if that freezes in the tree, it expands and it pops.
But that wouldn't be considered a frost quake, although meteorologists with the National Weather Service say the sap popping in trees is much more likely to happen around here, especially later into February. Ali Gallo, Newswatch 16.